Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
So we got number one back. Took her for a good spin. She seemed to be rolling right. She's back. Alright y'all, so it's time for me to start looking for new drivers. About to start my hiring process back up. Get ready to start interviewing new drivers. Just took her for a real good spin on the interstate. So she's not making that weird idling noise anymore. Yes, the fluids did have to flow through the system properly. See how short the box is. This is something that you guys need to look out for when you're buying a new truck or looking for a truck, especially a used truck. If your height says 12 feet 1 inch, this is not the height that you really want to run OTR freight in like that, because this box height is pretty short. So you probably can do some loads with it, but a majority of the loads that you'll be looking at on the load board will require your box height to be a little higher than that, especially if you want to stack 2 pallets. So I'm actually looking at replacing this box with a new box. So we're about to replace this box with a new one, and this number one is gonna be like a brand new truck once I finish with her. So she's still a work in progress, but the engine is good for me to go wherever I want to go over the road in this truck now. And that AC is blowing oh so cold. Oh so cold. Let me check the back of the box on her. Yeah, so this box is about to get replaced. You see this hole right here? Crazy. This was already weak. It's running an Amazon load, and they tightened this. You know, the E-track was way too tight and pulled it right out. They don't really care about this stuff like that. They're supposed to get with me on fixing that. Never heard from them. But yeah, I had somebody fix this. Somebody I thought was good with fixing floors. As you can see, that didn't work out. This board is coming up. I thought he fixed that. That's coming up. There's something else he said he fixed for me. I can see the ground. Yep. DOT would love to see that right there. But yeah, we about to get rid of this box, man. Number one, is too short to run like any major freight. So this box is coming off. I'm about to replace this more than likely with a brand new box. I found a couple of them. And even boxes for these trucks, y'all, are expensive. Well, they went up in price. Like brand new boxes, the prices went up on them as well. So if you're trying to piece together a truck right now, prices went up on these things, man. So just glad to have her back. She is running well. Like, I wouldn't even want to run this truck with Amazon right now in the condition that this box is in right now. Even though I could, especially if I'm doing postal stuff, because I'm loading the truck. They can't even see in the back of my truck. You know, I'll just be rolling stuff out. Just kind of have to watch out for the weak spots in the floor. You see what's the weight on this truck? So you know this is an old box, 8,000 pounds max capacity. And then over here, it said had a sign here, do not load truck with forklift. So this particular box does not have a forklift package on it. So you can't load this truck with the forklift. Some of the floor is cool, but a majority of it is not. So yeah, so this has become basically a project for me. I'm about to turn this truck into pretty much a new truck, man. So when I put it OTR, it's gonna be ready for whoever I put in it. They're gonna have a nice ride. It's not air ride, but it still rides good. It's driving good. The engine is like pretty much brand new right now, so hey, gonna make it happen. We got us a year warranty on it, unlimited mile, 1 year warranty. Anything goes wrong with this engine, it goes back to international. So yeah, that's what's up. That's the update, y'all. We working, man. We working. It's a process. This was a little headache for me. Keep it all the way 1,000 with y'all, but I do understand that I needed some write-offs with the money that I plan on making this year. I'm gonna need some significant size write-offs, and getting this engine done and putting a new box on this is gonna pretty much have me to where, and buying the new truck is gonna put me to where I'm paying very little taxes this year on the money that I'm gonna make. So get those write-offs. Not saying that you need to put a new engine in your truck or put a brand new box on your truck, but yeah, I'm out here working, man. Out here trying to make it happen. Newton Ventures. Stay tuned. Bigg Vic TV. Always hustle, never stop growing. You already know what it is, man. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.